Hi friends, I am Kancherla Paleshwar Rao, having 23 years experience in terms of insurance industry and banking industry and investment banking. So I'm a money manager. I can able to guide you how you can invest, where you have to invest in your money. Thank you. Please subscribe and like and share this information to your friends and family members. Today I would like to talk about Fino Paytech Limited company. So friends, this company is established in Mumbai, and this company has subsidiaries Fino Paytm Bank, Fino Financial Services, and Fino Trustee Services, and Fino Financial and Management Services. So friends, this company all institutions invested, like Bharat Petroleum invested 29% stake, and some all other banks invested 2%, 3% like that. So HDFC Life Insurance invested, and Indian Bank, Corporate Bank, all the banks invested in this particular company. Friends, basically Fino Paytech Limited, what they do? So they do technology services to the companies, like so all companies back end services and tech services, they do lot of licensing services to those particular institutions and banks, and they focus on rural segment as well. So they use digital modes, methods and instruments to reach the rural public. So all the things made this Fino Paytech Limited company is a very good company, and the I would like to talk about the shareholders pattern. So friends, total authorized capital 170 crores, and paid up capital as on 31st March 2023 127 crores. Friends, face value is 10 rupees, and if you would like to invest in this particular good company Finopaytech Limited, so I can able to help you. The minimum investment is 1 lakh rupees. You can just reach me. I will help you and I will support you. I will supply all the documentation with regarding to Finopaytech Limited. So thank you so much. I wish you all the very best. I am Kancherla Baleshwar Rao signing off. Please subscribe and like and share this information to your friends and family members. Thank you.